Are you struggling to gain weight in a healthy way? Today I am sharing my top diet plan for weight gain, packed with nutrient-dense food to help to achieve your ideal weight. Breakfast. Breakfast is a most important meal in a day. Here are some high calories breakfast ideas to kickstart your weight gain journey. Number 1. Scrambled egg with whole grain toast and avocado. Number 2. Oatmeal with banana, almond milk with walnuts. Number 3. Whole wheat pancakes with scrambled egg and maple syrup. Snack idea. Frequent snacking is very important in weight gain. Try these ideas. Number 1. Greek yogurt with honey and almonds. Number 2. Apple slice with peanut butter. Number 3. Protein smoothie with Greek yogurt, spinach and berries. Lunch ideas. Here are some high calories lunch ideas. Number 1. Grilled chicken breast with brown rice and mixed vegetables. Number 2. Turkey with avocado wrap with mixed grains. Dinner dishes. Don't forget about dinner. Here are some calorie-rich dinner ideas. Number 1. Grilled salmon with sweet potatoes and broccoli. Grilled turkey breast with quinoa and steamed vegetables. Before bedtime snacks. Bedtime snacks can help with muscle recoveries. Try these options. Protein shake with milk and banana. Greek yogurt with mixed berries and granolas. Remember, weight gain requires consistency and patience. Stick to this diet plan and combine with regular exercise for optimal results. Thanks for watching and don't forget to subscribe for more health and wellness content.